Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my husband's kitchen, because in effect, he is a real baker. Welcome. Let's make coconut cake together. My husband is really good at making cakes, so he is always the one baking. Here we have melted some butter, yes, and he went directly to add in 1 cup of sugar into the butter. As you see him pouring it. So the first thing is melted butter, 1 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of sugar, and then he's giving it a good stir. You would see just this consistency is the best when you're making your coconut cake. After that, he picked up 3 medium-sized eggs and break them into the bowl where there was melted butter, sugar, and now we have the egg. And he's going to use the hand mixer. As you can see him. Oh, what is it? What a lovely thing to have a husband that can bake. He's mixing it here, giving it a good mix, and mix it so well so it gives you this consistency where there will be bubbles, like bubbles on top of your mixture. Then you know you got the right consistency. If you have a hand blender, a hand mixer, it will do you justice. This is what you're looking for. When you have this consistency, then go in and add your all-purpose flour. With this, he is going to be using 1.5 cup of flour. That is the first cup he's putting, and then he added half of that again. So he's using 1.5 cup of flour for this mixture. I am really poor at baking. I know a lot of things, but when it comes to cake, I don't know where my skills go to. And here he's adding in 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Yes, if you have your vanilla extract, you can also add it. He didn't have, so he just wanted to go like the regular coconut cake. So give it a good stir. Here he's not using the hand mixer. He's just using this whisk to make it get the consistency he wishes to have. And then he goes in again to add 1 cup of milk. And he told me that the cup of milk doesn't seem enough, so he added half, a little bit. So you look at the consistency. Then he went in to add a cup of shredded coconut. Yes, he's making coconut cake. So what is coconut cake without some shredded coconut added into it? So he gave it a good stir to get the consistency. While he was doing that, he asked me to apply butter and all-purpose flour on the baking pan. So I did that, and when he was done with the mixture, which looked like this, he put it inside the baking pan and added in some shredded coconut and some berries. Are these called berries? Let me just call it berries for now. He added them into the coconut cake on top of it, and then he added some shredded coconut to give it that look. And then he went in and he asked me to preheat the oven. I preheated the oven for like 20 minutes, and then he came in and he placed it on 170 degrees, and he baked this for 30 minutes, close to 30 minutes, and this is what it came out looking like. Oh my God. You don't want to pass this coconut cake by without having a taste of it. Look at how fluffy it is. This him cutting it. It tastes and smells so good. You know, anything with coconut, it's a bomb. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is my husband. You suppose open bakery. You suppose open bakery. Coconut cake, you're good. Cookies, you're good. Finger food, you're good. Fish roll pies, you're good. Wait till you know can sabi do now. You can sabi do everything. Odogu your place day. Yes, when it comes to the kitchen, I give them up for you. This is the cake. My camera was not doing this cake justice. Like, guys, the cake looks good and it even tastes better. Thank you.